JYD1500E, ultrasonic, cleaner power supply, can select 2 to 3 frequencies. It is a power output device, which can generate a certain frequency signal to provide the ultrasonic transducer, who work in a resonant state. Ultrasound generator power supply can generally be divided into other excitation types and self-excitation types. The ultrasound cleaning generator can realize different ultrasonic frequency cleaning to the same cleaning product according to client requirements, which will reduce the client's cost and enhance the cleaning efficiency.